Good afternoon, traders. This is Adam House, Senior Account Manager with Forex Capital Trading. Just hosting a short webinar on additional tools to use to make trading decisions. Before we go on, just a general advice warning. Forex trading involves trading risk capital. The following education session is not to be treated as personal advice. Forex CT provides general advice only that does not take into account your personal needs or circumstances. So today we're just going to have a look at three key topics and products which are not affiliated with Forex CT, but they are designed to assist you with very helpful information around fundamental analysis and also technical analysis as well. We're going to look mainly at EFX News, Investing.com and FX Empire. Okay, so we'll take a quick look at EFX News first. Now bear in mind that you can actually subscribe to these services with an account of your own. So we're just going to have a look at some of the key features of EFX News here. So we've got institutional strategies, central banks insider, EFX columns, and all EFX articles. So basically, this is a news feed, really around sort of timely information around sort of what's moving the market with respect to the major pairs. If we were to have a look down here, we'd see sort of the current rates on offer for all the major pairs. And if we scroll a bit further down, we can go up to institutional strategies. We're just going to click on that firstly. And then we've got all these, basically all these articles mirroring institutional strategies. So we talk about sort of large hedge funds and intermediaries in the market that are sort of acting in concert in the same way. So it's just really to give you an idea about reading these articles and giving you some, some insight into how, major players in the market move the market and how they're expected to trade as well. Moving forward, we'll go to one of my favorites called Investing.com. And again, you can sign up with an account as well up here. You don't have to, but it's kind of handy if you do. You get all these sort of these emails to your inbox updating you on the market. What Investing it has a lot of features. So for the purpose of the webinar, we'll just cover the bare essentials. We've got the news column up here relating to Forex, commodities, stock markets, economic indicators, and so forth and so on. We've got a market overview, Forex, stock markets, commodities, and bonds under the analysis tab. Got live charts available on the Forex and futures. One of the most helpful resources on this particular website is one called the technical summary. So if I click on technical summary here, what it will actually do is it will give me access to all the major pairs and what the preference is from the moving averages and the indicators as to whether it's neutral, a sell or a buy or a strong buy or a strong sell. So as you can see from the Euro today, on the 15 and 5 minute, we're quite neutral, but on the hourly, we're a strong buy, and on the daily, we're a strong buy at the moment as well. So you can use that to sort of guide you in the right manner in relation to your trading decisions. You can also get an overview of commodities. You can have a look at energy or metals. If we had a look at metals, for example, you'd be able to see the most popular metals traded being copper, gold, palladium, platinum, and silver. So at the moment we've got, gold, for instance, a strong buy across the board, so it's very, quite bullish on gold at the moment. Obviously, if we go to indexes, we can go to the Asia Pacific and have a look at the ASX and obviously all the other Asian indices as well. You can also set alerts on this system as well, so it's very handy to be able to set alerts around economic announcements and so forth and so on. You can receive customized price alerts, and you can also manage your alerts via the website or your app as well. So that's very handy to actually have as well. It's a bit of a technical forum here as well on the actual on the website here. You can also go down and attend webinars and additional sort of resources available to you as well. So please have an explore of that. It's designed to be very helpful. As I said, it's really important that you take on as much information as you can outside of your services from your account manager. Obviously, the job of your account manager isn't to ring you up every day, to update you on the market. We provide this information to you, obviously to make your own decisions and obviously to educate yourself as well. But we're here to guide you and assist you in interpreting what information you've got and if we need to help you. So the last one we have as well, just sort of moving forward, we also have the FX Empire. So we'll just go up to Google again, go to FX Empire. It's one of my favorite resources because it will offer you a lot of information, not just on technical data, but also fundamental data as well. So the news will constantly be updated. One of the major stories over the past 24 hours has been the bullish peak on gold. Trump Fed minutes fuel major reversals across the board and so forth and so on. And then you get forecasts, okay? You get technical and fundamental forecasts coming out for the, for different pairs that are expected to move in certain ways. And it'll give you sort of, with respect to the time zone that you're in, how long ago they came out. So just be wary of that. Obviously, something that comes out 20 hours ago may not be necessarily relevant to today's trading session. Let's have a look at sort of one of the home currencies that we trade. Obviously, the Aussie dollar, US dollar. Some, if not all of you, are actually trading this particular pair at the moment. So if I type in AUD USD, click on that. So we've got the AUD US dollar at the moment. And if I was to click on the overview, it would give me the open, the ask and the bid price, the day's range. Obviously the live chart here as well. And it would give me the forecast from several key speakers in the market and analysts in the market. So it's very handy to sort of read those as well. From a technical point of view, if we click on that as well, and this is absolutely amazing to have, but based upon different time frames, what they're going to tell you is across the different time periods from 1 minute through to 1 week, what the technical summary is telling you to do. So the technical summary on the 15-minute, 30-minute, the 1 hour, right through to the 1 week on the Aussie dollar is buy. You then have trend indicators like the MACD, the RSI stochastics, Bollinger Bands and so forth, indicating a buy as well. And then we have pivot levels, S3, S2, S1 neutral, R1, R2, R3 indicated here as well, giving you sort of where the price is sitting at the moment in relation to the actual pivot level. So this is extraordinarily helpful, okay, in being able to dissect. Even if you don't know what these terms mean, it dissects all the information and basically gives you a preference in the market to follow. So bear in mind that we've got a lot of data here. We've got some forecasts here as well. So if you go to forecasts, obviously you'll get the commentary or different articles from several analysts on the market. Obviously, if you click on news, you'll get RBA minutes. It's specifically news relating to the AUD USD as well, which is very handy. So that's news that affects both the Aussie dollar and the US dollar. And obviously, if you click on chart as well, then obviously you've got, the actual chart. And you can add a whole lot of indicators to this based upon the top of the platform here. This is from TradingView as well, so we do separate webinars on TradingView as well. So using this sort of information is just really designed to encourage you to just be more proactive in learning the market. As I said, we're here to sort of educate and assist you. We're here to obviously guide you when you're trading and help you as much as possible. But the more information you can actually take on, the more that you can sort of learn about the market yourself and make trading decisions on your own, the better it is to sort of propel you in managing your own business of trading. So hopefully that's been of some help to you. As I said, if you need any sort of assistance in understanding these particular websites or any features of them, then please get in contact with your account manager, whether it be myself or your respective account manager. But thank you very much for your time. It was a short and sharp webinar, but hopefully you've got something out of it. And we look forward to seeing you at the next one. Thank you very much. Cheers.